Getting started with Henry is really quick and easy. Firstly, screw on the hose and attach the tubes. If you need to adjust the height, just turn around the tube end. This is also handy to remember when you're using the accessories. The Combi floor tool is great for everyday cleaning and it easily switches between carpets and hard floors. Henry's ready for use with a HEPA flow bag and Tritex filter already added. So now he's fully assembled, just plug in, switch on and you're ready to go. Henry's super long 10-metre cable means there's less stopping to plug and unplug, keeping you cleaning for longer. Nothing beats a Henry for versatility. With a full accessory kit, you've got a tool for every job you can think of, and probably some that you haven't. Carpets, hard floors, cars, stairs, DIY, he's ready. When it comes to emptying, Henry's self-seal tab blocks all the dust in the bag, so you can empty with no dust, no mess and no trouble. Once you're finished, Henry stores neatly away with his trouble-free rewind cable system and onboard tool storage. Simple as that.